I have some very important information to share with you in this video regarding if you hold any cryptocurrency. What we are currently seeing is that this morning, cryptocurrencies are taking off again. We are yet again in the green. This is a good thing to see, where if I just go to the daily time frame for Bitcoin, we can see that Bitcoin has had the last since June 15th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green days. This is very good because before that we've had 5 or 6 red days in a row, and cryptos are looking good as of today. We know the market is still very volatile and this can change at any second. So in this video, I have some important information to share with you regarding the cryptocurrency market, where we are headed, where are we currently at, what is likely to happen here very soon. So if you love cryptocurrency content, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and let me know in the comments below, do you think the crypto market has reached a bottom? And also tell me your favorite cryptocurrency below. I'm interested to see what is your favorite cryptocurrency as I do read the comments. So what we can see is that Bitcoin is nearly $21,000 from this morning, and this morning we are having a live meeting. The Fed is speaking. They're having a conference with government, and we have senators, congressmen talking to the Fed about interest rates, and they are, some of them, pretty mad at him, honestly, Jerome Powell, about his monetary policy and how they keep raising interest rates. And some are saying that that is not the way to go, which is my opinion as well, because when you raise interest rates, it crashes the stock market, it crashes the stock market, it crashes cryptos, and that's what's happening. And a lot of senators, congressmen, people in the government are not happy with the current monetary policy by raising interest rates. So what we are seeing is some green today. Nothing crazy. I mean, if we zoom into the charts, what we can see is that Bitcoin did end up bottoming out this morning of about $20,000. So Bitcoin hit a high of 21,700 yesterday. We bottomed out. So that move was a 7.5% move to the downside. And we've bounced up about 4.7% this morning if you would have bought the dip. And this is pretty consistent with most cryptocurrencies: Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Cardano. And speaking of Shiba Inu, last week in the Patreon tier 2, if you were in tier 2, you would have made 43% profits yesterday. So my buy alert for Shiba Inu, we can see on the left side here, is when we made an entry into Shiba Inu, and then days later it peaked out yesterday at over 43% profits in just a few days. There's nowhere in the world where you're going to get accurate buy alerts like that, calling out huge, massive plays in the Patreon for just $10 a month. Some other tiers, you have different access to different trade alerts where you can copy all of my exact trades, a whole bunch of stuff over there. Guys, join the Patreon where we are making money even in a bear market. 43%, guys. Nowhere in the world, there's nowhere on YouTube, there's nobody on Patreon or anywhere else that's giving you trade alerts that can make that type of money. So highly recommend joining the Patreon, at least tier 3, if you want to get access to all the alerts, where you can even speak to me on the phone. But getting into the market is looking pretty decent, okay? So far, this was a little double bottom. This was the bottom for the crypto market as we see now, which may not end up being the bottom, but it's looking like Bitcoin and cryptos might be forming an inverse head and shoulders. So this is very good. We've been paying attention to the 30-minute time frame for Bitcoin, where Bitcoin was trading above the 200 EMA, and yesterday we broke down it, but guess what, we are back above it. So keeping to bounce off of the 200 EMA and trading above it is bullish. It shows that we are in somewhat of an uptrend here. So we will be closely monitoring this situation, this uptrend. Personally, what I am expecting, am I expecting a big bullish move here very soon? No, I'm not expecting a very big bullish move, which is likely as possible because we are in an uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, right? We are looking decent. And even after the Fed speaking today, the market is still green. I mean, if we take a look at the DXY, the dollar is going down, which is good for cryptos. We also have the S&P 500 is actually just rocketing right now. I just caught this. The S&P 500 is looking good. The NASDAQ, look at how bullish that is, guys. That's a massive green candle. These massive green candles, these pushes to the upside like that very fast, is indicative that there is strong bullish momentum getting ready to make some moves here. So if the NASDAQ and cryptos and stocks can bounce up here, and get back up into these higher ranges that we were in the last couple of weeks, that's going to be very, very, very good for cryptos, as it looks like cryptos are continuing to head up. So as of right now, we are seeing a bounce in the crypto market. We're seeing a bounce in the stock market. Cryptos and stocks are recovering just a little bit, but we are not out of the woods, ladies and gentlemen. We are not out of the woods. We are not out of this bear market just yet. We still need some more time. We need cryptos and stocks to continue to go up. If they can go up for the next couple of weeks, Bitcoin can be back at 30,000 quickly. The stock market can be in a position that can be setting up for a bull market. These two factors need to happen, and it really all depends. This whole year depends on next month, the inflation reading. If inflation is going down, that's going to be a very bullish catalyst for cryptos and stocks. And also, depending on what the Fed does, if they end up lowering the interest rates because of how the congressmen and senators are talking to them, maybe trying to get them to consider lowering the interest rate raising, that could be two bullish catalysts for the crypto and stock market. If those two things can happen, if inflation comes down and the Fed decreases their tightening, their quantitative easing, their tightening, the raising of interest rates, we could have a bullish second half of this year, a very bullish second half of this year, where Bitcoin can probably see the above 30,000, of course, 40,000, somewhere in there, 40 to 50,000. We could see that this year. And there could be a lot of stronger catalysts to push cryptos back into a bull market, despite what a lot of people are saying out there. But as of right now, currently in this moment, what I am expecting for, I honestly am expecting for some sideways trading, maybe a little move to the upside, continue to go down, still some volatility. I'm really not expecting right now some strong bullish momentum. But since Bitcoin is testing and breaking above these 200 EMA on the 30-minute time frame, if we can continue to break above it, trade above it, that's going to be a very good sign for us in the next week, the next coming weeks. So that's what I am paying attention to personally. And I would also say none of this is financial advice, so don't get your hopes up like crazy. We're still in a very volatile time period. We're still overall very bearish, as we have been continually crashing for quite some time. Now make sure you guys join the Patreon so you get access to those buy alerts. Go to MYLESGinvestments.com so you can watch my trading course, teaches you technical analysis, everything you need to know. And go over on Bybit and claim your $4,000 deposit bonus over on Bybit, which right now also they're giving away huge bonuses and a massive giveaway if you sign up using my link, where they're doing a giveaway to the Silverstone F1 race. So if you guys want to get access to the F1, the Formula race, because I decided not to go there, giving away my spot. So if you just fund an account with at least $10, you will be entered in to win that giveaway. That's gonna be it for today. That's gonna be it for this video. I will see you all later.